kind of tree I've climbed doesn't grow in groups, but as single, isolated individuals. And it's by far the tallest tree in this particular jungle. It's a kapok, and it grows to over 200 feet high. So that if the canopy of leaves formed by the rest of the jungle can be called a sea of leaves, then the crown of the kapok is an island which rises above that sea. And it has a climate all of its own. There's much more sunshine up here than down below, and there's also wind, something that's virtually unknown down in the depths of the forest. The wind causes some problems. It can rob a tree of its moisture by evaporation from the surface of its leaves. So the kapok has very small leaves, but the wind also brings a benefit. It distributes the kapok seeds, which are extremely fluffy. And they float gently across the top of the canopy for mile after mile. The crowns of these giant trees are the home of the biggest and most fearsome of all jungle birds. There are flying hunters very like this one in most jungles. In South America, the harpy, in Africa, the crowned eagle, and here in Malaysia, the hawk eagle. All patrol above the surface of the canopy, occasionally plunging down into the leaves at great speed to seize a squirrel, a bird, or even a monkey. And all produce just one nestling, which they must feed with meat for almost a year, until it too is big enough to hunt.